वहाँ का चिकन. Oh shit, मुझे अभी याद है. The manager was an asshole. I feel जब से I've left my job last year and our channel started growing, I never really addressed the job part of my life. And जब भी मैं Q&A करती हूँ Instagram पे, there would be a bunch of questions that I would get repeatedly. So I thought इससे पहले कि मैं उस लाइफ के बारे में सब कुछ भूल जाऊँ, I should make a dedicated video. इस वीडियो को हम दो halves में divide करेंगे because plenty of questions were very common about my education and how I got the job and everything. तो वो मैं एक स्टोरी की तरह सुनाऊंगी, तुम लोगों को सुनना पड़ेगा. I'm sorry. And in the later half of this video, I'm going to take specific questions, some fun questions and some my experience related questions. So yeah, let's go. It's too hot. So I did my graduation in BTech Computer Science and Technologies from Galgotias University, which is in Greater Noida. Do not confuse it with GCET. I wasn't interested in engineering. This was something like a safe career option जो मेरे पिताश्री ने मेरे लिए ढूंढा था because I couldn't find or decide a career for my own. I was a very lost kid. मुझे हमेशा तो ना fashion में बहुत interest था. I remember 6th class में I had a scrapbook जिसमें I would make those, you know, rough model drawings with some design. But when you grow up in a middle class family and that too a city like Lucknow, which is not like a metropolitan city, these dreams are often ridiculed and not even considered as a valid career option.
You and I both know it.
मुझे हमेशा से साइंस से दूर भागना था. I tried doing that in 8th. We had an option. Teachers ने बोल दिया कि 10th तो at least साइंस से करो. 11th में भी I wanted commerce, but everybody was like, you are such a high scorer. ऐसे कैसे साइंस छोड़ दोगी? And the ongoing thing कि साइंस ले लो बेटा, बहुत स्कोप है आगे. उसी में मैं डूब गई. I feel जब भी I tried doing something on my own, सबने कुछ ना कुछ बोल के कुछ और ही करवा दिया. इसलिए I sort of
Took a backseat.
and मेरी लाइफ ना बहुत ऑटो पायलट पे चल रही थी. जो सब कोई बोल रहा था मैं कर देती थी. And I was a good student academically. मैं अच्छा स्कोर कर लेती थी somehow. Now after a weird sequence of events, somehow my best friend from school and my boyfriend from school, we were all three together in this college. So college के 4 साल तो बहुत you know ऐसे मजे में निकल गए. Now let's talk about the placement time. So my university was relatively new. So they themselves wanted to bring more and more companies for campus placements because obviously उनका भी business है. उनको भी अच्छे स्कॉट सिखाने के हमने इतने सारे लोगों को placement दिला दिया. So the first 3 companies that came to our rescue were the MNCs, the mass recruiters.
सबका मसीहा mass recruiter सबको job देगा.
Infy, Wipro and Cognizant. And oh my god, I have so many funny stories from the placement time, especially Infosys का written exam, but वो सब बताने लगे थे 2 घंटे का podcast बन जाएगा. So cutting it short, I got selected in all 3 of them somehow. Obviously it felt like a good achievement because parents again बहुत खुश थे. I also felt really nice because मेरा last year of college was very shitty because I was going through social anxiety to the level कि मेरे weekly basis पे panic attacks होते थे and I just don't like that time. But somehow that is also one of the most happiest times of my life. Anyways, I didn't have to think twice about कौन सी company choose करनी है because seniors से इतनी तारीफ सुन रखी थी about Infosys and especially the Mysore campus life. And B, again, my best friend and boyfriend were selected in Infosys. So यही मैं ऐसे ही बस पिकनिक करते करते वहाँ पहुँच गई थी. Now before I jump into the Mysore training and my location part and other things, I want to take a shower because I am stinking. So I've been using Clovia Botanica's products since more than a month. Now I know you must be confused कि Clovia used to be the lingerie brand in India. Apart from that, they have their new range of skincare products which include face masks, body butters, body wash, hair products as well according to your specific concerns. And so my concern was basically that I have really dry skin, so I needed a very gentle body wash and a very thick body butter. So I've been using the body wash from their energizing range, which is enriched with organic extracts of olive oil, argan oil and vitamin C to energize and revitalize the skin. Now olive oil hydrates the skin and softens it, and argan oil makes your skin look very healthy and works on the scars, and vitamin C is for collagen production and just giving a healthy glow to your skin. One thing that I personally loved about this body wash was that it's very non-drying. जितना ज़्यादा foam होता है body wash में उतना ही it leaves your skin drying. So one thing that I've noticed in their body washes is that it's very gentle and very smooth on skin. Even though Clovia Botanica products are all vegan and filled with Ayurvedic goodness and no paraben and no sulfate, it doesn't have a very, suffocating Ayurvedic smell. That's what I love about these products. And for the body butter, I'm using the one from their calming range. I thought कि मैं दोनों range में से एक product try करूँगी इस month. So this is their calming body butter with goodness of saffron, jasmine, lavender and moringa oils. So jasmine oil deals with the dry skin. Lavender oil works on reducing the scars on your skin that might be there. And the saffron present, as we all know, is known for lightening and brightening your skin. So yeah. I have to say one thing from my own experience, it's very thick and you don't need a lot of it. बस हल्का सा लो, even a few dots of it can work on your entire skin. So trust me, this entire tub will last you for months. It instantly, brightens up my skin as well. I love using it. I have the most dry feet. So this body butter has been a boon. क्योंकि मैं इसे हर रात सोने से पहले अपने feet पे लगा लेती हूँ. Like अपने soles पे लगा लेती हूँ and अपनी knees पे भी लगा लेती हूँ to keep them moisturized. I'm gonna leave my coupon code and all the links to these products in the description box. Do check them out. Also check out Clovia's entire website where you can find hair products and skin products according to your concerns. Hello, so I thought let's do something more formal for the setup and outfit as well. Now talking about the Mysore training part. So मेरी engineering का जो last semester था, that was my Infosys training. And the Mysore training is divided into 3 semesters कह लेते हैं. Number 1 is the generic training जिसमें we were taught Python and DBMS. Then the batches are divided by streams. We got Java, but I know कुछ लोगों को business analytics भी मिला था. Stream training में भी कुछ modules के बाद you are divided into groups and then you are required to make a project. That is your stream project. And somebody asked about my last year engineering project. So we submitted this project, the project that we made with Infi stream training में as our final year project because हमारा last semester was all Infi training, so obviously we couldn't work on 2 projects simultaneously. Now if you clear generic and stream without any backlog or even with some backlogs, उसके बाद ही you are taken ahead to the 3rd training, which it was like a general training focusing more on your speaking skills, communication skills and some office policies and stuff. Talking about my scores in the Mysore training, so I scored really well in the generic training, but stream में आते आते I don't know what went wrong. I think I just suddenly realized that I have made a huge mistake by selecting IT as a profession. I still scored well, I think, but मैं बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं थी पढ़ाई में. लाइक स्ट्रीम प्रोजेक्ट के टाइम पे थैंक गॉड माय प्रोजेक्ट टीम वाज फ्रॉम माय कॉलेज एंड सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे. तो माय रूटीन यूज्ड टू बी कि मैं रात के 4-5 बजे तक फिएस्टा पे घूमती थी. देन आई वुड वेक अप अराउंड 12:30. आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप टिल 2 और मेरे टीममेट्स वुड कॉल मी कि हाँ बेटा आ जाओ, प्लीज़ आ जाओ, क्योंकि वी हैव अ मीटिंग विद द टीचर कह रही हूँ, with the evaluator for the project. So yeah, I think my input was very low in the stream project as well. I'm being very honest here. By the way, based on your mark, you'll be given this term as top performer, high performer, like TPF, HPF होता था. So the top performers, I think they scored above 90, कुछ ऐसा ही था. They got a bonus of 20,000 and उनकी salary भी average package से हल्की से ज़्यादा होती है, like 2-3,000 month. I was HPF, so I think I was somewhere in 80s या फिर maybe TPF was 95 above and I was above 90. But I remember that I got a bonus around 15,000 and मेरा monthly salary was 1,000 या 2,000 ज़्यादा ही थी. So these are a few perks that you will get if you perform well in the Mysore training. So now ये training वगैरह निकालने के बाद सबसे scary part आता है, which is the location. So you will be asked to give your top 3 preferences. Please उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा overthink करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I know सारा algorithm लगाया जाता है, सब बैठ के सोचते हैं, सीनियर से बात होती है, previous batchmate से भी बात होती है कि ये भरूँ वो भरूँ, बहुत ही random होता है. I remember I chose Chandigarh, Pune and Bangalore and I got Mangalore. And after a weird turn of events again, somehow I landed in Trivandrum. I remember मैं इतना रोई थी उस टाइम पे. I think मैं पूरा GC में रो रही थी उस दिन. But somehow Trivandrum also turned out to be the best time for me in Infosys. So yeah, no regrets. Talking about my projects and all जिसमें मैंने work किया है and technology. So the day I लैंडेड इन ट्रिवांड्रम। मुझे और मेरे 3 और दोस्तों को डेवऑप्स टीम में धकेल दिया गया था। वी डिडंट इवन गेट 1 डे एट बेंच। मोस्ट ऑफ द अदर पीपल गॉट बेंच, तो वो 1-2 हफ्ते बाद खुशी खुशी बिता रहे थे। हम 4 लोग डेवऑप्स की टीम में आ गए थे। हमारी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी। इट वाज काइंड ऑफ स्कैरी बट ऑल्सो फन because our team was amazing. I think I met some of the best people in my office life in Trivandrum in that team. But उस team में जाते ही I was dead sure कि ये तो बिल्कुल भी मैं नहीं कर सकती. I cannot be or live like this for the rest of my life. Simply because मुझे इस काम में कोई interest नहीं था. Not that I feel कि IT is a very low level job. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. If you're somebody who's genuinely interested in this field, oh my god, you can earn so well. There are on-site opportunities. The pay is decent if you switch regularly. I was in a DevOps project for a telecom company in US for at least a year or at least 10-11 months. Got out of that project because the manager was an asshole. उस team में उस project में रह के I've had 3 project managers and the last one was an asshole. And yeah, everybody in that team, even the seniors knew what he did to me was wrong. उनकी वजह से my entire salary package got reduced by almost like 10,000 or 12,000. Like the extra salary that I was getting because I was in HPF, that got reduced. I think मैंने अपने पापा को बताया भी नहीं था about it. उसके बाद I was on bench for a month or 2 months and then I got into a short-term testing project. I got some hands-on Selenium. उस project का manager was so sweet. He genuinely asked me कि are you interested in staying in our team for the coming year? Else I'll just leave you ताकि तुम्हें जिस भी city में जाना है. Obviously everybody knew कि I am a North Indian. I will not be able to survive at that place for such a long period of time because literally meeting your own family was so expensive and हम इतनी 2 अलग corners में रहते थे. So I really want to go to Pune. My best friend was there. So I was trying कि मुझे वहाँ transfer मिल जाए. And उसके बाद the HR had an issue with me. मुझे basically बस 1.5 साल हुआ था Trivandrum आए हुए थे. He was like at least you have to stay in this city for 2 years. उसके बाद we can give you a transfer. And I was like 6 महीने के लिए मुझे अगर तुम कोई short term project दिला सकते हो well and good, वरना मैं bench पे खुश हूँ. I will not take up a long term project. So उस time पे when I was in bench, I made the most out of my bench period. I went to Bali. It was a very impromptu trip. उसके बाद I went to Kerala में थी, but I had a full 9 days का trip with my family in March. During that trip only, I got a call from the same HR and he was like, ठीक है, तुम जाओ पुणे, just find a project for yourself and I have no issues. And ultimately, my manager, one of the nice managers from my first team, he helped me get into a DevOps project again. मैं April 2019 में पुणे आ गई थी and that was my last project in Infosys. Now this project was an Ireland project, I think. So मेरी shift timings were afternoon shifts, so I was getting paid something extra. Like हर दिन का I think 250 या 200 extra मिलता था मुझे. And I was in that project till June 2020 and after that 2 months का again मुझे bench period मिल गया था because I was rejecting project. They didn't have anything in DevOps. I wasn't ready to get trained in other technologies. Actually मैं time pass ही करी थी. मुझे बस ये था कि ठीक है salary आती रहे and I was simultaneously working on my YouTube. Somehow in that bench period I was making decent money through YouTube. So somewhere it was there in my mind कि right now is the perfect time. अब नहीं किया तो मैं कभी नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Let's just leave it. And that's what I did and मुझे 4 दिन में निकाल दिया. मैंने थर्सडे को रात में अपने पेपर सबमिट कर दिए थे. फ्राइडे शाम तक I got a mail that Monday would be my last working day. I was expecting कि मुझे एटलीस्ट 2-3 हफ्ता और रखेंगे but they were like तुम जाओ. Now I'm gonna go ahead and answer some specific questions that you guys had sent. Okay, the first question is, did you ever face any issues regarding your clothes? So Infosys has business casual, so you don't have to particularly be in formals every day. And I know मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा casual थी because I used to love dressing up and I used to post pictures of my outfits on my Instagram as well. I think my go-to outfit was ripped jeans or like a baggy mom jeans and some well-fitted tees. मेरे कुछ batchmates को ripped jeans के लिए वापस घर भी भेजा गया है. But somehow I was never caught. I was waiting for the day कि कोई वॉचमैन मुझे बोल दे कि मैडम आपके घुटने से जीन्स फट गई है वापस जाओ. बट वो कभी हुआ ही नहीं. When and what made you realize that this job was not for you? See, what went in my mind was कि अब ये मैं जॉब करने वाली हूँ. It's not a college या फिर स्कूल जहाँ पे मैंने पढ़ के अच्छे मार्क्स ले आए and then I'll get promoted to the next class. This is a job that I'll have to do for the next 20-30 years of my life. और अगर मैं इसमें आगे move करूँगी, it will only be on my own skill set. I wanted to be successful in my life and I somewhere knew कि IT में मुझे बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो मैं कहीं ना कहीं बोर हो ही जाऊँगी. बट उस टाइम पे आई इवन टोल्ड माई फादर कि जैसे मैं कंफर्म्ड ऑफर लेटर ले आऊंगी आई कम बैक टू दिस सिटी एंड स्टडी फॉर MBA. उस 4 महीने में आई वॉज very confused, trust me, from going for MBA to fashion management to YouTube was actually not in the picture for a very long time. तभी मैंने उन 4 महीने में कोई वीडियो नहीं बनाई थी. For people who were asking about salaries, please ये गूगल भी कर लोगे तो पता चल जाएगा, मैं नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. Hikes in Infosys, they are very less. In fact, if you perform really well, उसके बाद I think 5% तक का hike मिलता है. The major hike happens when you upgrade your roles, like if you become a TA or TL. How is the Infosys bench culture? So, see, it all depends on you. If you are somebody who really wants to get into a project, आप अपने लिए एक project खुद ढूंढ लोगे. जब मुझे पुणे के लिए transfer चाहिए था, trust me, I used to ping managers and team leads. हर एक unit wise मैं ढूंढती रहती थी Skype पे and I used to ping them. I used to mail my resume and all. But जब मैं Trivandrum के बीच में bench में थी, I did nothing. I was waiting for somebody to call me. कि मैं बस नाम के लिए इंटरव्यूज दे दूंगी, वरना आई वांट टू चिल फॉर अ व्हाइल. बट बाकी देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट हाउ डिड आई मैनेज माय जॉब एंड चैनल. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन अ वीडियो अबाउट इट, प्लीज वॉच इट. आई थिंक उससे ज़्यादा मैं एलैबोरेटली इतने प्यार से मैं कुछ भी नहीं समझा पाऊंगी. प्लीज वॉच इट. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट इंटरव्यूज एंड ऑल, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, इतना कुछ स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं होता है. सी, सारी कंपनीज आपको ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में भी डालेंगी वंस यू क्रैक द इंटरव्यू, राइट. सो इतने टेक्निकल क्वेश्चंस वो पूछते भी नहीं थे, मुझे तो एटलीस्ट नहीं पूछे गए थे. बट दे डिड गो थ्रू माई रेज्यूमे एंड आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट्स दैट आई हैड मेंशन्ड एज माई प्लस पॉइंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इफ समबडी इज आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन, अ टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन जो मुझे नहीं आता होगा, तब भी आई डिड stay quiet. I would answer something related to that subject because मुझे चीजें आती भी थी थोड़ी बहुत. I would make sure कि मैं कुछ तो आंसर करूंगी so that the interviewer knows that हाँ, इसे कुछ तो आता है. I remember Cognizant का HR interview was a मजाक. Like उस बंदे ने मुझसे 10 मिनट सिर्फ ये बात करी है कि whether I am a Punjabi or not. Like he went through my family tree पूरा. Lies you used to not attend the office. Oh my god, एक पूरी वीडियो बना सकती हूँ मैं इस पे. In my first year of my job, Trivandrum में हर्षित was coming for my birthday. तो मुझे आज तक स्पेसिफिकली बताना भी नहीं था कि मैं क्यों छुट्टी ले रही हूँ. But somehow I just मेरे मुंह से निकल गया when I was talking to the manager कि my brother is coming for my birthday. So I need a leave. I think I said this to my team lead. On the day of my birthday, one of my friends, he tried inviting my team lead for my birthday party जो रात में होनी थी. And my team lead was like, he was very chill. हम लोग ना बहुत chill थे. हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ पार्टी कर चुके थे. We were like friends. तो he was like, मैं ऐसे कैसे आ सकता हूँ? इशिता का brother आया है. Now he was a Malayali, तो उनकी हिंदी थोड़ी टूटी फूटी होती थी. बड़ा क्यूट लगता था मुझे actually. And my friend was like, है brother कब आया है? Brother तो नहीं आया. And obviously the team lead understood कि I lied. उसके बाद से we had this ongoing joke कि वो हमेशा पूछते थे कि और इशिता जी, how's your brother, how's your other brother. So yeah, I think Trivandrum में I never had to lie a lot to get leaves because somehow my team, like my first team, was so understanding. They knew कि I have a YouTube channel that I'm very dedicated and passionate about. In fact, my team was 90% girls. I think एक दो ही लड़के हुआ करते थे उस टाइम पे, including my team lead and my manager. So we used to have such a fun time. Yeah, I've actually vlogged 2-3 of our project parties. एक तो trekking trip थी, which I think is one of the best project parties that I've ever had. It was so much fun. So yeah, Trivandrum में मुझे इतने झूठ नहीं बोलने पड़े थे, but पुणे में, oh my god, I used to lie left, right and center. But obviously my teammate knew that I'm lying, and she was actually very supportive, Shruti. Yeah, Shabina भी थी. मैं कितना कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ इस वीडियो में, कुछ बता ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. What do you miss about Infosys? I think I miss the social life that I had. The project parties, एक team होना, एक friend circle के साथ lunch करना. Right now I'm just me. And while I really like being on my own, being my own boss and doing everything on my own, but sometimes it does get to me that एक वो friend circle वाली बात अलग थी. Like 5 दिन तुम frustrated रहते हो जॉब पे, but weekend पे you will just have drinks with your friends या फिर बाहर चले जाओगे घूमने with your friends, and it would lift your spirits and mood. Please talk about sick leaves, not the sickness leaves, casual ones. पुणे में मैंने बहुत sick leaves लिए यार, परेशान हो गई थी उस जॉब से. The craziest thing you did in Mysore, मैं क्या बताऊँ इसमें. तो हम जब भी पार्टी करते थे, we would actually stay outside the campus कहीं होटल वगैरह बुक करके. तो ऐसे ही once 5 of us went to a hotel that was like literally मतलब कैंपस के पीछे ही था. आई थिंक कोई कंट्री क्लब करके था. So they had this offer कि unlimited drinks with veg and non-veg platters, and हम 5 वहाँ पहुँच गए and we had so many drinks. उसके बाद वी वेंट बैक टू अ होटल, हम जहाँ रेगुलरली रुकते ही थे लाइक आफ्टर पार्टीज एंड ऑल. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, इस टाइम पे वहाँ का मैनेजर वाज लाइक लिटरली वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कि नहीं, वी कैन नॉट अलाउ ड्रंक पीपल इन द होटल. एंड अंदर मेरे 2 दोस्त उन्हें कन्विंस कर रहे कि नहीं कोई भी यहाँ पे पिया हुआ नहीं है, एवरीबडी इज सोबर, वी जस्ट इट्स जस्ट हम थोड़ा लेट हो गए थे चामुंडी हिल से आते हुए. एंड ये मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है बाय द वे, मुझे सिर्फ बताया गया नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग कि ये हुआ है. एंड मैं बाहर लाइक लिटरली होटल के सामने जो पोल्स लगे होते हैं ना, वहाँ वॉमिटिंग कर रही थी. इफ यू हैड गॉटन ऑन साइट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, वुड यू स्टिल हैव लेफ्ट द जॉब? सो आई थिंक मैंने मेंशन किया था, वन ऑफ माई मैनेजर्स वाज रियली नाइस. He sort of told me कि if I stayed in Trivandrum in the same team, and this was मेरे first 3 months में by the way, like जब मैं बहुत confused थी खुद, तो we were at a beach, ऐसे हम chill party कर रहे थे, and पीछे सब everybody was clicking pictures and everything, and I was with him. उनका दिमाग खा रही थी at a beach. Imagine, I'm pretty sure you must be very pissed off with me. I actually really liked him, like not in that way, but like I respected him. I asked him कि मैं थोड़ा MBA वगैरह consider कर रही हूँ, but I'm still not sure. पहले तो वो हंसती है तो थोड़ा सा like he laughed a bit, and I got very offended. I was like, listen, I've been a good student, I am academically very good, and I'm very hardworking. मैं कर सकती हूँ. He said if you don't like the work culture in Infosys, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't like the work culture after MBA as well. कोई बहुत ही different सी job नहीं होगी. It will be the same 9 to 5 desk job only. He suggested कि maybe I should invest more years in my IT job and then go on site, earn more for my own self and just have a free life. क्योंकि he told me कि तुम जब on site जाओगे you can actually travel a lot more, and they also had on site opportunities in Australia itself. But उस point of time पे I knew कि I cannot make career choices anymore based on people around me. Like अगर मेरी best friend ये कर रही है तो मैं भी ये करूँगी, अगर मेरा boyfriend ये कर रहा है तो मैं ये कर लूँगी. स्ट्रीम ट्रेनिंग के बाद से आई बिकेम वेरी सेल्फिश विद माई करियर चॉइसेस. आई वॉज लाइक अगर मैं कुछ करूँगी इट विल ओनली बी फॉर माई ओन सेल्फिश रीजन्स, फॉर माई ओन इंटरेस्ट. आई जस्ट न्यू कि मैं अब जो भी करूँगी इट वुड बी ओनली बिकॉज आई फाइंड इट इंटरेस्टिंग या आई नो आई कैन डू इट. अ मोमेंट व्हेन यू फेल्ट प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. My mind wasn't interested in the work I was doing. I was only doing it because ठीक है काम करना है, पैसे कमाने हैं, टू इन्वेस्ट इन माई साइड पैशन प्रोजेक्ट एंड साइड हसल एंड जस्ट टू हैव फन एंड जस्ट टू बी एन इंडिपेंडेंट पर्सन. Somebody has asked, are all software engineer guys nerds and can we find nice guys as well? My boyfriend is an IT engineer, like software engineer only. He's not a nerd, he's a nice guy. ऐसे नहीं है, सब मिलता है यार, ऐसे don't stereotype please. Ever had a crush on any colleague? So there was a brief time when I was crushing a lot on older people, and it used to happen regularly. Like मुझे अपने age के लोग पसंद ही नहीं थे. I only would crush on older people, and I actually talked about it with my friend Meghna, and we came to the conclusion कि it's only because older men or your seniors talk very sweetly and respectfully to you, और तुम्हारे ग्रुप के लड़के सिर्फ मजाक उड़ाते हैं, सिर्फ बदतमीजी करते हैं. So that is why you prefer the people who treat you well. Do software engineer earn more than a creator? I feel you cannot compare the money that you earn from this field, especially in my case क्योंकि मैंने switches नहीं किए थे. I wasn't even interested in that field. But what I earn from this job, like from my content creation, you can earn from IT after I think 3 to 4 switches. Yeah. और इस टाइम पे I am also able to earn this amount of money because I am at a certain level. So yeah, it's almost the same. Efforts डालोगे तो हर जगह पैसा मिलेगा. Honestly, where did you find the strength and motivation after that kind of job to work and then to make content as well? First of all, I was dying to get out of that job. तो ये मेरा एकदम driving force था since day one. अगर content creation नहीं होता, trust me, अभी तक I would have prepared for some sort of exams या फिर gotten into a fashion management college. कुछ तो मैंने कर ही लिया होता figure out. I'll tell you one more thing. I got results out of this channel as well. Like I was at 1500 subscribers January में, and I gave myself a target of 10,000 subscribers कि उस अगर ये cross हो गए till my birthday, then I would consider it as a positive sign and मैं और efforts डालूंगी अपने content में. And somehow we crossed 10K literally in I think October के around, like a month before my deadline. Like I had a constant growth में कभी भी एक specific number पे stuck नहीं थी. It used to happen, this used to happen with me on Instagram but never on YouTube. That meant कि somewhere there is like an audience which wants to see me and my content. So yeah. What was your family's reaction when you left the job and started doing YouTube? तो again मेरी family के लिए surprise नहीं था. They knew it from the day one. जैसे मैंने ट्रिवांड्रम में DevOps team में गई थी, I used to call my dad कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है, मेरे को नहीं करना है, मेरे को जाना है यहाँ से. So ultimately जब मैंने decide कर लिया था, he did try to convince me because even he wasn't sure about the money situation in this job. He even talked to my best friend. He was like कुछ समझाओ इसको ये क्या कर रही है. And let's be honest, middle class family members को ना सिर्फ पैसों से मतलब होता है. पहले उनको ये सारी क्रिएटिव जॉब से कोई अहमियत नहीं लगती है, बट वंस दे से कि हाँ बच्चा कमा रहा है, दैट्स इट. उसके बाद इज्जत आ जाती है. योर फेवरेट मेमोरी ऑफ माइसोर कैंपस एज अ ट्रेनी? आई रिमेंबर जब हमारे जेनरिक ट्रेनिंग में लंच ब्रेक्स होते थे ना, मैं स्टेज पर चढ़ के वो जो माइक होता है उससे बहुत बकचोदी करती थी. कभी कभी हम रात में भी उस क्लास में जाते थे एंड वी वुड जस्ट स्टडी और ईदर कंप्लीट आवर असाइनमेंट्स. नाउ दिस वाज इन जेनरिक, तब मैं एक्चुअली पढ़ती थी. सो इट यूज टू बी रियली फन. वी यूज टू टॉक टू पीपल फ्रॉम अदर कॉलेजेस. ऐसे बहुत बकचोदी करती थी. इट यूज टू बी फन टाइम. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर बाकी कॉलेज के बच्चे हमें बहुत जज करते होंगे बिकॉज वी वर लाइक क्रेजी लाउड, वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट थिंग्स, बट वी हैड अ गुड टाइम. आई एक्चुअली हैव सो मेनी मेमोरीज एंड सो मेनी फन स्टोरीज टू शेयर. I think I'll do another story time. I don't think so anybody had a crush on me. I think I'm pretty sure सबको हम बहुत annoying लगते होंगे, especially me because I used to be crazy loud, चीखती चिल्लाती रहती थी, कुछ भी करती रहती थी. किसी ने ऐसा कोई confess तो नहीं किया कभी. So yeah. Oh shit, मुझे अभी याद आया. There was this one. Okay, मुझे याद आ गया. Somebody had a crush on me. You know, sometimes you can tell by how the other person looks at you and by the amount of eye contacts that you have with that person that maybe there is a slight chance that the other person sort of likes you. So I had this crush on this guy. We only talked once. We never talked to each other face to face. कभी भी बस Instagram पे बात हुई थी शायद. जैसे मैं रात में fiesta पे घूम रही होती थी, he was also there. He used to be there with his friends. And months after that, जब मैं ट्रिवांड्रम आ गई थी, one random day we started talking again, and that's when he confessed that he sort of liked me, and I was like, yeah, even I had a crush on you, so yeah. It felt nice. In case you are somebody who had a crush on me, it's okay. गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं. Okay, I think we are done with questions from Instagram. Now I'm gonna go through the YouTube questions. I think ये 1 घंटे की वीडियो हो जाएगी. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys, मैं YouTube के सारे questions नहीं ले पाऊंगी. But I will take the first question that I find is that I feel like I have to address. Don't you think leaving the job is not a great idea because you studied to become a software engineer? Now you left the job for YouTube. Maybe your job is more secure on the YouTube. We need to leave this idea behind कि आपने जो पढ़ा है, जिस stream में पढ़ा है, उसके अलावा you cannot do anything else and you cannot diversify your income streams and you cannot move forward and grow forward. Maybe एक point of time पे मुझे लगा था कि maybe I can be a good engineer and ठीक है मैंने कर लिया अच्छे से. I was a good scorer, I had interest. पर उसके बाद मुझे नहीं लगा कि I can do that for the rest of my life. That's when I started thinking of other options. Also right now I know so many people who studied something else but are now very good in something else. Also people have different interests at different phases of their life. Maybe 5 साल बाद मुझे कंट्रीब्यूशन में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा, बट ठीक है उस टाइम पे मैं कुछ और फिगर आउट कर लूँगी. प्लीज डू नॉट से द सेम थिंग टू पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली प्लानिंग टू लीव देयर कॉलेज और यू नो leave their studies or job to do something that they really want to do. Please don't be this person, please. I left my job when I was 24 and obviously मैंने इतना सोच के जॉब छोड़ी हुई कि I knew I'll be better off with YouTube, with doing my own thing. Your favorite food court in Mysore, DC? I think Gazebo. I loved their pori idlis and pori dosa. मैंने हर्षित को इतना force किया, इतना. He would always go with me to have dosas, even though he didn't like dosas. उसके अलावा I really liked Maitri as well. वहाँ का chicken. Amazing. Best advice you'd give to an I would just say always work on your skill set and also look out for the technologies जिनकी demand future में ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है. Also don't get attached to the company or the team or the project that you are in. इस IT में grow करने का एक ही तरीका है, that is switching. Sorry. And with this, we've come to the end of this video. I have no clue मैंने कितना बोला, but I really hope I answered most of your questions. I don't think so I've ever made a story time sort of a video because I feel मेरी storytelling skills are not that great. But if I ever do a video just about my funny stories from my office life, you guys will have a blast. बहुत बकवास करी है मैंने life में. That is all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the red button and join the Sunflower Squad. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.